We just looked how we can do manual color correction on an input, but there's also an automatic color correction available in TriCaster. The automatic color correction is available on every input as well, and all you need to do to use this is go to the input in question. Let's do it on input 5, and under the image tab you'll see a check mark called auto color. When you turn this on, it's going to automatically analyze the incoming video and try to maximize its dynamic range. And in this case, you can see it's really brightened up this image and given it a lot more depth. Now, you're not limited to using one or the other. I can do auto color and then in turn do proc amp controls as well. So maybe I feel that image is a little too bright. We could go down and pull those settings down a bit. And now I'm using auto color and manual color together to give me the best output from this camera.